Hello and welcome to Peter Piper, the pretty praying mantis. That's right, and here he is right here. And as you can see, he is a praying mantis, and he is quite pretty, isn't he? Okay, hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. And without further ado, let's move on to our scenario. You have a pet praying mantis named Peter Piper, the pretty praying mantis. He is your favorite pet. Not only is he unique, quirky, and pretty, but he eats the mosquitoes that try to bite you. However, Peter Piper does not care for the legs, so he only eats 4/5 of each mosquito. Let's just write that down. 4/5 of each mosquito. Yesterday, Peter Piper ate 7 mosquitoes. So, how many mosquitoes did Peter Piper, the pretty praying mantis, actually eat? Well, my friends, if he eats only 4/5 of each mosquito that he nibbles away on, and yesterday he had 7 of those mosquitoes, that means this is a multiplication problem, and it's 4/5 of or times 7. And so the very first thing I want to do is go ahead and create 7 fraction boxes. So I'm going to create a fraction box right here, and then I need to make 7 that are identical to that one. Alrighty, and there I have it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These represent the 7 mosquitoes that Peter Piper ate. Now, he only ate 4/5 of them, so I'm going to cut each of these into 5 parts. 5 parts means 4 lines. Now, I'm going to enlarge this, and then I'm going to draw my lines straight across because it'll be easier. So here I go, and here's 1 line, 2, 3, and 4 lines. That'll give me 5 parts for these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for all of these, right? I need to cut these the exact same way. So I'm going to draw 4 lines again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines. And now I get to color in 4 out of the 5 parts, right? So I'm going to color in 4 out of the 5 for each of these. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And I'm going to set this up as blue. And here we go. I get 4 out of 5 for that one. Okay. Then I get 4 out of 5 for this one. And then I get 4 out of 5 for this one, and 4 out of 5 for this one, and keep rolling, 4 out of 5 for this one, and 4 out of 5 for this one, and then my last one, I get 4 out of 5 for this one, right? So now I could just count all these up. And actually, I think I will. So let's go ahead and just count these. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So I get 28/5, right? Okay, and that's what I've got right here. Now, let's go ahead and look what the algorithm would look like, right? So if I have the algorithm, I've got 4/5, and I'm multiplying it by 7, right? And so 7, I'm going to create as 7 over 1. So I'm going to change this to 7 over 1. And then I just simply multiply straight across. And 4 times 7 is indeed going to give me 28. And then 5 times 1 is going to give me 5, right? And right here, as you see, 28/5 agrees with our illustration right here, right? And that is the answer. However, as you see, it's not simplified because this is top-heavy or an improper fraction, right? Which means I could really rewrite this as 28 divided by 5, right? Well, 5 will go into 28 5 times because 5 times 5 is 25. And then I would subtract and I get 3, so I get a remainder of 3/5, right? So 5 3/5. Well, let's see what this would look like over here, right? So now I'm going to just start getting rid of some of these and filling in the top here, right? So if I take this one, and I'm gonna use green. If I take this one away, right, and I just get rid of that, and then I color in this top one, then that's one whole, right? And then I'm gonna get rid of this one here, and I'm gonna move it up here, and that gives me a second whole one. And then I'm gonna get rid of this one here, right, and I'll move that fraction piece right over here. And then I'm going to get rid of this one right here, and I'm going to move in the fraction piece right here. And then I'm going to take and get rid of this far one right here, and I'm going to move that fraction piece right there. And now, as you see, I've got a bunch of holes here, don't I? I've got 1 hole, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, and then here I have 1, 2, 3 out of the 5, right? Because to make 5 here, I got 1, 2, 3 out of 4 and 5 because these are both gone, right? So as you see, I've actually got 5 3/5, which actually agrees with our algorithm of simplifying right here. And that is lovely, my friends. Hey, that's how you solve this problem. If you made any mistakes anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day.